Here, calorimetry question number 17. A copper cube of mass 200 grams slides down on a rough inclined plane of inclination 37 degrees at a constant speed. Assume that any loss in mechanical energy goes into a copper block as thermal energy. Find the increase in the temperature of the block as it slides down through 60 centimeters. Specific heat capacity of the copper is given 420 joule by kg Kelvin.
In this question, what is given? Here, a block of mass that is 200 grams which is sliding down on the inclined surface. That is, the length of that inclined surface is given 60 centimeters, which must be converted into meters. 60 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Then afterwards it is sliding down with the constant speed. The block moves with constant speed. That block is copper block moving with the constant speed. So here given mass of the block 200 grams, that is converted into kilograms, 200 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kilograms, and specific heat of copper block that is given 420 joule by kg Kelvin, and acceleration due to gravity 10 meters per second square. In this question, block is sliding down on the length of 60 centimeters. But here what happens? Assume that any loss in mechanical energy completely goes into the copper block. Whatever the loss in mechanical energy, that completely moves into the copper block. So whenever the block is coming in the downward direction on the inclined plane, due to the friction, there will be loss of energy. That loss of energy goes into the block as a thermal energy. So here, assume that any loss in the mechanical energy goes into the copper block. So here now I want to calculate like this. First of all, here loss in mechanical energy is equal to, what happens here? Goes into the copper block. Which type of energy moves into the copper block? It is coming down from certain height. So that what is that one? Potential energy. So that means here loss in mechanical energy as a thermal energy. This one is called as a thermal energy is equal to potential energy. That means loss in mechanical energy is potential energy. That loss in mechanical energy converted as a thermal energy. That thermal energy is potential energy. So here thermal energy Q is equal to potential energy. So thermal energy M, mass of copper and specific heat of copper, and rising temperature is equal to M, G and H. Remember, this is very important one. Here mass of copper, specific heat of copper and rising temperature of the copper block is equal to weight mg. That mg is coming in the downward direction, but mg component along the horizontal direction is mg sin theta. So that's why mg I will write as mg sin theta into h. Now here mass of copper and specific heat of copper, rising temperature, here mass of copper, acceleration due to gravity, and sin theta into h. Now in both the sides mass of copper gets cancelled. Here delta t is equal to acceleration due to gravity into sin theta into h divided by specific heat of copper. Now here rising temperature of the copper block. Acceleration due to gravity I will take as 10 into sin theta, that is sin 37 degrees. They gave here 37 degrees into height given 60 centimeters. 60 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters divided by specific heat of copper. How much given? 420. So here 420 is equal to 10 into sin 37, that is 3 by 5 into 60 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divided by 420. Now here 10 gets cancelled. 5 how many times? 5 12s are 60. So 3 into 12 how much here? 36 divided by 42 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Here 36 by 42. 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 6 by 7. Division of 6 by 7 is 0.857 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So here 8.57 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Final nearly I will write this equation, this one as 8.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 degrees centigrade. This is the solution for question number 17.